It's a small place, but very cool for photo-taking opportunities. Puzzle requires line app to solve. It was difficult, but there is sufficient clue to solve. Definitely worth the trip. What a dreamy scene. But the interactivity is a bit lacking. If you want to take pictures, it's okay and great. If you don't play in the academy, it's a pity tweet. It's very fun. If you want to experience solving puzzles but don't plan to spend too much time, this activity is perfect. It is easy and simple but not casual. It is very suitable for couples and parents and children to experience. There were fewer people when the door opened, so it was a good place to take pictures. The puzzles had to be compared with the paper you got when you entered, which was quite interesting. You can enter and exit as many times as you want on the same day. There are different options to choose from. You can solve puzzles and take photos at the same time. You can play with friends and couples to enhance your relationship. It is very suitable for bringing children here. There is a cute ball pool where children can release some energy after solving puzzles. In this hot weather, adults can take a break in the air-conditioned room. More importantly, they can enter and exit the room as much as they want on the day. It's great. It was amazing and I enjoyed the game with my friends. I also took a lot of good pictures. Next time I will try more games. It's really small. It's probably mainly for people who solve puzzles. Only the scenery is beautiful and the staff is friendly. I can only stay for less than an hour. The layout is beautiful, and the interactive puzzles using line methods are quite fun. I brought 3 children here, and they are very happy that there is no time limit on weekdays. It's super convenient to purchase through Klook. The Fairyland area is small, with only one activity area, but it's very beautiful. You can walk around and have a look. The atmosphere is good, but it is too dark inside the forbidden area, and many clues cannot be seen. It is recommended to add a little more red light to increase the atmosphere and allow people to see more clearly. There is a ball pool inside, where children can play. It is quite beautiful and easy to take pictures, and you can also solve puzzles. However, it is really small and will disappear in the small circle. The layout of the exhibition venue is very fun. You can use more electronic tickets to solve puzzles. It is recommended to have flexibility in exhibition times for easier use. Redeem your admission ticket at the counter first for smooth entry. The puzzles are both indoors and outdoors, making them suitable for elementary school students to solve independently. An hour goes by quickly. There are 2 ending options, each with its own set of puzzles, leading to different cards upon completion. It was the first time for me to participate in this exhibition with my children. They had a lot of fun in the ball pool and went to the side to play puzzle solving activities. It is very suitable for bringing the family to play tilde.